Hi everybody, my name is Daud. It's a new day today and I welcome you all to Shiv Jyoti online classes. Allow me to begin with your today's topic, articles. A, N and the are called articles. Articles can be categorized in two categories, indefinite article and definite article. A and N are known as indefinite articles, while the is the definite article. Now the question may arise in your mind, why is that so? Because A and N are used to talk about any person, animal or thing, while we use this definite article the to talk about particular person, animal or thing. Okay? Are you getting it? For example, can you see this marker? Good. If I say this is a marker, I mean it's just a marker. This is a marker, which means there are other markers like this marker. There can be so many other markers like this. This is a marker. But when I say this is the marker my grandfather gave me, I mean this is that particular marker which I received from my grandfather. So you're getting the difference? I'm going to write all this on the board for you. Articles can be categorized in two categories. See it like this. If you want, you can anytime pause the video and draw this chart yourself in your notebook. Indefinite articles. Definite article. Indefinite articles are A and N. A and N, indefinite articles. The is the definite article. Now we will talk about where to use A and where to use N. We use A before the words that begin with consonant sound. A ball, a cat, a dog, a hat. While we use N before the words that start with vowel sound. An ink pot, an orange, an elephant. The words that start with A, E, I, O, U with vowel sound. Before them we use the article N. Okay? There's another important thing that you need to keep in mind. You never forget about this. You use these articles before singular nouns. A ball, a cat, a dog, a hat. It will never be a balls, a cats, a dogs. With plural nouns, you will never use these articles. Alright? We are going to talk more about them in detail. Please come to the DG board with me. Children, now I request you to please take out page number 78 of your book. Alright? That's where you will find all this. A and N and the are special words used before nouns and noun phrases. They are called articles. A and N are called indefinite articles because they indicate any person, animal or thing in a general way. Okay, you remember that example? This is a marker, which means I'm saying this in a general way, in a general sense. It's just a marker. There are other markers like this. Okay, this is called the definite article because it indicates a particular person, animal or thing. Okay, the is used to indicate or to talk about things, animal or person in particular. When we mention a particular person, thing or animal, we use the. Like I mentioned, this is the marker my grandfather gave me. You getting the difference? Alright. Indefinite articles. We will now talk about indefinite articles. Articles can be categorized in two categories, indefinite article and definite article. A and N will fall in the category of indefinite article, while the is the definite article. First, we are talking about indefinite articles A and N. According to your book, page number 78, the article A is used before singular countable nouns or noun phrases beginning with consonant sound. So as we mentioned earlier also, singular, make sure the word is singular. Here we have some word, a ball, a hut, a calf, a university, all right, a one-eyed man. The article N is used before singular countable noun or noun phrases beginning with vowel sound. See, an engine, an onion, an umbrella, an ink pot, an orange. Okay? So we have an exercise for you here. Are you ready for this exercise? Write A or N before the nouns and noun phrases given below. So here we have some nouns with us and some noun phrases also. We have to find out whether to use A or N. Okay? How will we identify the words that begin with consonant sound? We will use A there. And for the words that begin with vowel sound, we will use the article N there. So A, E, I, O, U, you remember? First word that we have is ice cream. What is this? Ice cream. Which one is your favorite flavor? Ice cream, an ink poured. Okay? An ice cream. We are going to use this article N here. Then we will take fifth one, an African. And then we will take eighth one, a 1 rupee coin. Now you may wonder, this is O, why are we using A here? Why aren't we using N? It's about the sound, one. It's not making the sound of O, it's making the sound of W or V, one. Okay, it's not the O sound, it's a different sound. It's about the sound. So a 1 rupee coin, a color, all right? You're getting it? So we will talk about the rest of them later, maybe in your live session. We will now talk about exercise B, but before that, we will have to first understand about definite article the, because that exercise might be about the. So we must understand about the first. We use the when we speak of a particular thing or something that has already been mentioned. We use the to speak of particular things or the things that were mentioned in a sentence before. For example, we have a sentence here. There is a tree near my house. The tree bears mangoes. Here we have two sentences. See the first one, there is a tree near my house. Tree is already mentioned here. Now we want to mention the tree again. We want to talk about this particular tree again. So we will use the with it. The tree bears mango. Okay, there is a tree near my house, the tree bears mangoes. Here when we have used this the with this tree, we automatically mean this particular tree. Okay, we do not use the before uncountable nouns, proper nouns and abstract nouns when we are speaking in general. When we are speaking in general about these three things, we do not use the. I like listening to music. I like listening to the music will be wrong. I like listening to music. My cousin lives in Delhi. Delhi is a proper noun. Proper nouns, you know, are names. We do not use the before names. Okay? My cousin lives in Delhi. My cousin lives in Chennai. We won't write the with names of cities because they are proper nouns. And as we have just now learned the rule that before proper nouns, we won't use the article the. Greed is the root of all evil. Yeah, we have an abstract noun, evil. We haven't used the article the. We have avoided its use because that's the rule. However, we use the before uncountable nouns that have been made particular. I do not like the music they are playing. Okay. Here we can use the before uncountable nouns that have been made particular, which are particular. For example, here you will wonder, why are we using the here? Above we didn't use the. Why are we using the here? I do not like the music they are playing. Because here I want to talk about, imagine a scene. I am standing here and there are some guys playing music, good music there. Or maybe bad music, although music is never bad. So they are playing some music. They have their instruments, guitar and violin and keyboard with them, and they are playing some music. So I want to talk about that particular music which they are playing. In that case, I will use the article the, and I will say, I do not like the music they are playing. I do not like the music. I'm talking about the particular music which they are producing, creating and playing right now. The water dripping from the roof has made our room wet. Here we have used the article the here. Why? Because I'm talking about the water, the particular water which has been dripping from this roof. Alright, so I'm talking about the particular water, although there is no such thing happening here. It's just to make you understand. We use the before things there are only one of their kind. Alright, so which means we use the for unique things. Like there is no sun, there is no second sun, we just have one sun that gives us sunlight. Sun is unique. The earth moves around the sun. There is only one sun, there is only one earth. So for them, we will use the article the. The earth moves around the sun, the moon, the earth. Alright? Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Here we have used the to talk about the capital of Uttar Pradesh according to the rule that we use the before things. There are only one of their kind. We use the before superlatives. We always use the before superlative degrees, the greatest, the happiest, the best, alright? Always use the before superlative degree. Aftab is the tallest boy in class. Aftab is the tallest boy. Aftab has got the tallest height. Aftab is the tallest boy. So before superlative degree, we always use the article the. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. Alright, Mount Everest is the highest is a superlative degree. Okay. We use the before names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges, holy books, trains, ships, aeroplanes, famous buildings and newspapers. So we use the before the names of these. We have some examples. The Nile is the longest river and the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. River Nile is in Egypt. When we are mentioning the name of the river Nile, we are saying the Nile, okay? The Nile is the longest river, the Pacific Ocean, alright? The Titanic sank on 15th April 1912. As we learned, before the names of ship, we use the article the. So Titanic is a name of a ship on which a good film was also made. The Titanic sank on 15th April 1912. Before the names of newspaper, the Times of India, the Hindustan Times. The Times of India is Arnab's favorite newspaper. The Shatabdi Express is a super fast train. The Shatabdi Express, the Rajdhani Express, the Chennai Express. Okay? So I hope you have understood all about the which was given in your book. Now we will move further and talk about the exercise that we have with us. Exercise B. Choose the correct article for each context. Cross out both if none is needed. So we have to choose the correct article according to the words and sentence that we will find here. So we have to choose the correct article and we have to cross. So it may be also that we won't get to use any of the article, and in such situation, in such case, we will use this cross there. First one is, let's do the first one, begin with first. There is dash egg in dash basket. We will use the article an here, an elephant, an egg. You getting it? Vowel sound. An egg. There is an egg in the basket. We have used the article the here because we are talking about this particular basket. So we have used the. There is an egg in which basket? In the basket, in this particular basket. The fifth one now, because this will give you all the three articles just in one. Dash apple, dash day, keeps dash doctor away. Here, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Alright, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So this is one of the ways of living a healthy lifestyle. We are going to talk about exercise C now. I wish you all the very best for exercise B. We have left some points for you to do, and I hope you'll be able to do them on your own. Now we will talk about exercise C. Underline the definite articles that are correctly used. Circle the ones that are wrongly used. Okay? So we have some articles which are used in a correct way and some articles which are wrongly used. We have to identify and find them out. It's going to be very interesting. See the second one in your book, page number 80. The cartoon films made earlier were much simpler. Than the ones made today. So can you see the article the in this sentence? Please pay attention. Yes, here we have an article, the cartoon films. And where else we have it? We have it here. The cartoon films made earlier were much simpler than the ones made today. So both the times it has been used correctly. So we are not going to circle it. We will see third one. See third one in your book. The Mickey Mouse is one of the most famous. The Mickey Mouse is one of the most famous cartoon characters. So do you see the anywhere? Yes, you can see the Mickey Mouse is one of the most famous cartoon characters. Here it has been wrongly used. Why? Because Mickey Mouse is a proper noun. Mickey Mouse is a name of that particular cartoon. Mickey Mouse is the name, okay? It's the name of a very famous, one of the most famous cartoons by Walt Disney. So before names we do not use the, so we have circled it here. Here the use of the is right, so we are going to underline it. So I believe you can do the rest of them on your own. I wish you all the very best. Now we will talk about exercise D. Exercise D. Insert the wherever it is necessary, put a cross where it is not needed. Okay? So we are going to see the first one here. So dash universe consists of dash sun, dash moon and many other celestial bodies. Insert the wherever it is necessary. Here it is necessary to insert the. Why? Because there is only one universe. Universe is unique. The universe. The sun. Sun is unique. Sun is only one. Okay? There's only one. Do we have two sun? No, we just have one sun. Sun. And the moon. So it was necessary to insert the in all the three blanks. The universe consists of the sun, the moon, and many other celestial bodies. Alright? I believe you can do the rest of them on your own. We will now talk about conjunctions. Chapter 21, page number 95. We are now talking about conjunction. I'm sure you must have heard about Kota Junction. Have you heard about it? Yes, you have. Kota Junction, what does it do? It connects so many railway lines. Kota Junction connects so many railway lines. Similarly, conjunctions are words that connect two words or two phrases or two sentences with each other. Alright? So it won't be wrong if we call them connectors or joining words. So conjunctions are, conjunctions are also known as connectors, and we can also call them joining words. Alright? We have some very good examples in your book. We are going to have a look of them. Please take out page number 95. Conjunction join words, phrases or sentence. They are also known as connectors or joining words. Saloni and Zahida are good friends. See the first example. Saloni and Zahida are good friends. Saloni and Zahida are good friends. Do you see this and here? This and is working as a conjunction. It is joining these two words. Saloni is a different word, Zahida is a different word. With the help of this conjunction, we have joined them. So we have joined two words here. You will see this example. Second one, do you want to go to Agra by train or by bus? Here we are connecting, we are joining two phrases with each other with the help of conjunction or. In the third one, you will see Veronica want to go to the wedding, but her sister will. So Veronica has decided not to go for the wedding, but her sister is going to go on her behalf. So here this but is joining both the sentences. Veronica want to go to the wedding. Veronica want go to the wedding. It was a different sentence. Her sister will go. It was a different sentence. But we have, with the help of this conjunction, but we are able to join both these sentences and we are able to make this sentence from two sentences to one sentence. Veronica want to go to the wedding, but her sister will. But her sister will. Okay? You'll be able to have more command on conjunctions when we will see the exercises. We will now talk about exercise A. If you have any confusion, any query related to any of the topics that we have been studying today, you can ask later in the live session. I gave, underline the conjunction in the following sentences. Here we are going to find a conjunction in the sentence and we have to find it and underline it. I gave Akriti a cold drink. A cold drink. I gave Akriti a cold drink because she was feeling very hot. Because she was feeling very hot. I gave Akriti a cold drink because she was feeling hot. So these are actually two sentences, but these two sentences are joined together. We have combined these two sentences. Now we have just one sentence with us. With the help of this conjunction, because. I gave Akriti a cold drink because she was feeling very hot. This could be two sentences. I gave Akriti a cold drink, full stop. She was feeling very hot, full stop. But with the help of this conjunction, because, we are able to make this sentence as one sentence. I gave Akriti a cold drink because she was feeling very hot. So that's how we have joined, we have connected these two sentences with each other with the help of conjunction because. Now we will talk about the third one for you here, Shantanu. It's a very good name. Shantanu turned on the gas. Shantanu turned on the gas and cooked dinner. Shantanu turned on the gas and cooked dinner for the family. Shantanu turned on the gas and cooked the dinner for the family. So can you identify the conjunction for me in this sentence? Yes, please try. Very good. Shantanu turned on the gas and cooked dinner for the family. Here we have the conjunction and. Alright, so this is it with this exercise. Please try the rest of them on your own. If you find any problem, any confusion, any difficulty, we can talk about it later in the live session. Talk about exercise B. In this exercise, We will see join these sentences with the help of conjunctions given in the bracket. So we have some sentences here with us, and we have the conjunction. We have a conjunction in the bracket, and we have to use that particular conjunction and join the sentences. See the first one. We saw Minnie in the science lab, full stop. We saw Jasleen in the science lab, full stop. So how are we going to use this conjunction and here? We saw Minnie and Jasleen in the science lab. So answer of the first one, I'm writing the answer for you here. You have the question with you available already. We saw Minnie and Jasleen. We saw Minnie and Jasleen in the science lab. We saw Minnie and Jasleen in the science lab. With the help of this conjunction and we are able to rewrite this sentence and join them. All right, we will now see the fifth one. It's very hot here in June, full stop. It rains in July, full stop. We are going to see the fifth one now. Here we have two sentences. It is very hot here in June, full stop. It rains in July. And the option, and we are asked to join these sentences with the help of but. We have but in the bracket. So how are we going to do? We are going to do something like this. It is very hot. It is very hot in June. But it rains. We have used but as we were asked to. But it rains. We have used but as we were asked to. But in July. But. Okay. So I hope you have understood. You can try the rest of them on your own. Okay, all right. But is the conjunction and is the conjunction. Okay. Exercise C. It's match the following. Exercise C, match the two columns. You're going to find it very interesting, but we will do just two. Radhika is sad. Here we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Which one should be the rest of it? Radhika is sad because her pet dog is ill. The conjunction because has been used here. Radhika is sad because her pet dog is ill. Alright? Because. I'm sure if you have a pet dog, you really love your pet. You will take the fourth one now. I am unwell, so I am not going to school. So is the conjunction. Alright? Here I am unwell, so I am not going to school. I believe you can do the rest of them on your own, and we will talk about all these conjunctions more later in your live session. So please do not worry if you are finding any difficulty or any problem. We are going to solve all your problems in the live session. Exercise D. Complete the following sentences with suitable conjunctions. Then use the conjunction to complete the crossword below. So we have to use the suitable conjunctions to fill in the blanks, and then we have this beautiful, interesting crossword waiting for us, which you will have to do as your homework at home. Third one, you cannot go to play. Dash, you have completed your homework. So you cannot go to play unless you have completed your homework. Here this unless has been used as a conjunction, that you can't go to play unless you have completed your homework. Your father will not buy you a video game unless you will score good marks in exams. Alright, you're getting it, where to use this unless. I did not buy the laptop because it was very expensive. Because it was very expensive. Because is the conjunction, the suitable conjunction, the most suitable, the most relevant here. So we have used it here. Alright. Akshara wanted to sleep as she was very tired. Akshara wanted to sleep as she was very tired. This could be two sentences. Akshara wanted to sleep, full stop. She was very tired. But this is now one with the help of this conjunction, as. Akshara wanted to sleep as she was very tired. I believe you can do this beautiful, interesting crossword on your own as your homework. Now we will talk about exercise E. Fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions. So we have to again find the most suitable, the most relevant conjunction for this exercise. Let's see. The man could not read dash write. The man could not read or write. Or is the most suitable, most relevant conjunction here. Here we have the option in the box above. We have to see accordingly. The mango looks ripe but tastes sour. Alright. Anish washed his hands before he started to eat. Before he was before he started to eat his meal, he washed his hands. Anish washed his hands before he started to eat. Before is the conjunction, the most suitable one here. Now let's see this exercise, exercise F. Complete the sentences using the sentence parts given in the box. Then circle the conjunction. You might find it a little difficult, but it's not at all difficult. Please come with me to the whiteboard. So we will take the first one. You need to hurry. You need to hurry. What should be the rest part? What should be the other part of this sentence? See from the option, until the road was cleared, that he was going out. You need to hurry, that he was going out. No, wrong. You need to hurry because he had studied hard. No. The right one is you need to hurry or you will miss the bus. Or what may happen? Or you will miss the bus. Or you will miss the bus. You need to hurry or you will miss the bus. We need to circle the conjunction that we have used. The conjunction here is or. You need to hurry or you will miss the bus. What can happen? What may happen with you if you won't hurry? You will miss the bus. You need to hurry or you will miss the bus. Or is the conjunction. This is the rest part of this sentence. Now we will see fourth one for you because I'm sure you like football. So it goes like this. The football match. The football match will be cancelled. Will be cancelled. This is given. We have to find the other part of the sentence from the options. Or you will miss the bus. No. If I don't win. No. The right one is if it rains. The football match will be cancelled if it rains. The football match will be cancelled if it rains. And we have the conjunction if here. Sometimes it happens that it starts to rain and you were about to play cricket or football in the park and it's wet now, you can't play anymore. The football match will be cancelled if it rains. So I believe you can do the rest of them on your own. This is it for today. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you very soon again. I really enjoyed spending this time with you. Peace be with you. God bless you.